Hello, this is Universe Sandbox 2. If you've never heard of this, this is not really a game as much as it is a simulator. It lets you simulate solar systems, galaxies, and tons of other bits. So here you have what if I remember correctly, is the Oort cloud. Then you have Pluto, Neptune, that thing that's funny. Saturn, Jupiter, you have the actual asteroid belt, then you have Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury. And then if you go all the way in here, and its extremely bright presence is the Sun. Click play, and it spins. So what can you do in Universe Sandbox? Well, if you go to Add, and you decide to slap Earth right... where would it be? Right here. Let's just go ahead and slow this down to 8 seconds per second, and we fully select this. We can go to something like right here, average surface temperature. So this is current normal Earth, 13.8 degrees Celsius. Hey, we can do Fahrenheit because I'm American. Average surface temperature is 56.9 degrees. If we click play, oh, that's not what you want to do. If we click play, within just a couple of seconds, things would be just a little bit hot. And if we just speed this up a little bit, yeah, things have gotten hot. And because of tidal forces, the Earth is completely fragmenting and spiraling into its own self-destruction. That's Africa. Ooh, that's not good. That's not very great, is it? I would say that we would not really be alive for long if we happened to be however far away we are. Our orbital period around the Sun is 4 hours. It would be a little warm. You can also do things like, what if the Sun was 20 times heavier? And just like that, other Earth was completely absorbed. And you'll notice everyone decided, oh, uh-oh. Those are some of the asteroids from the asteroid belt now flinging along. Earth is average of 70.3 degrees, so it's gotten a bit warmer from being that close to the Sun. Asteroids are flying around like they're flies. Also, all of the asteroids are named. So this is 374 Burgundia. Let's go to Mars. Let's see what Mars is doing. So this is Mars. I thought it had poles. They might have just melted off. So there's the Sun. Boo! And we're off again. We can also have Earth orbit this Mars as it's flying around and see how well that's going to work out for it. We have to make it a little bit closer. Otherwise, it'll be on its own trajectory here. And and was that an asteroid? Everything is just gradually making its way over to the Sun now. Like all of them. Pluto has stopped in its tracks. It's just shh. The asteroid belt has it's not doing well. We've turned into a flower. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you count the petals? Ooh. We're back at Jupiter, spinning like it was a vinyl. And boom. Whoa, what happened? What happened? Did we just become like, what? That shouldn't happen. Come on. We're going back. We're going back. Our mass is completely disintegrated. What's happening? Oh, what's going on? Why is Jupiter? Okay, so Jupiter has been it's disintegrating. I mean, alright. If you were interested, what is it? Which one's the big one? 11.6, 21, or what's the radius? 4.12 AU. Isn't the distance between the sun and the Earth 1 AU? Yep. Yeah. Yeah, that's about right. So we're just gonna go, boop. This is our sun. If we zoom out a little bit because of all the glare, that's Betelgeuse, I think. Isn't that Betelgeuse? That is Betelgeuse. What's gonna happen? And that's kind of the point of this game, is you can just figure out what's gonna happen. Because right now it looks like some of them are pinging off into Betelgeuse. Some of our asteroids are just... but the sun itself... Oh dear. Alright, so you may be curious about what will happen when this eventually occurs, and the answer is... Are you... What? What? Edit. Move. Da 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 da. Da da. Betelgeuse is really big. There we go. We're almost at it. Almost at it. There we go. I think the sun would melt. There we go. There we go. So it does do supernovas, and it does create nebulas. It is a black hole. And it goes through, it messes with the appearance of stuff behind it. It's all nice. The only thing is it doesn't have the accretion disk thing where it would go like, and it would also like warp the light of that, so it would also like, basically it would have this permanent outline around the, what's it called, the event horizon, as well as you'd see like that little disk in front of it. Unfortunately, they don't do that, nor does it emit anything from its poles. Our solar system is home to 8 planets, 4 terrestrial inner planets, and 4 giant outer planets, 6 of which have moons. So you can go to Mars right here, zoom in, and you have Phobos and Deimos. If you go to, if I remember correctly, oh yeah. Nope, hold on. Do. And do. It's safe to say Jupiter has a lot of moons. A lot of them. Milky Way and Andromeda galaxy collision. And we can just sit back and watch as the tiny Milky Way and the massive Andromeda slowly descend on each other. Do-do, do-do-do. Where are you going? Hold on. No. Hold on. You. Where are you going? You weren't even a part of this. Where do you... Can Earth be on that? Because I feel like if Earth is a part of this, we'd be in a bit of trouble. So, certainly an interesting sight. Definitely about 4 billion years from now. So, I think the Earth will be dead for at least 3.9999999999999 billion years before that happens. So, we're good. Well, we're not good, but we don't have to deal with this.